YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with some quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's AquaBug. This is their suction side above ground pool cleaner. So we're going to kind of dive in and show you guys how to replace some of the internal parts. So stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So again today with another quick fix video for you guys on Hayward's AquaBug above ground pool cleaner. Today we actually want to show you guys how to remove the entire drive assembly that you guys have here located on the bottom of the cleaner. That will include this entire flap assembly. It basically allows you to start getting access into the actual dome of the AquaBug. So we're going to show you guys what screws that you're looking for to remove that. As you guys can see, I have some screw holes here on the top. If you guys want to know how to get access to this actual internal throat where the debris will actually run through, make sure you guys check out the other video in the links in the description. We'll show you guys how to get access to that, but it's already been removed. So for today, we're just going to show you guys how to take off this entire assembly. So first thing that you guys are looking at, you're looking at the bottom of the cleaner here. You guys can actually see that it has these two flaps on each side. This flap is much more difficult to try to lift up, and you can't, if you guys actually pull this thing back, it's going to snap. So you're looking for the side that actually has your serial number from the frame of the cleaner. That flap gives you a little bit more give. And as you guys can see, as I pull it back, you'll actually kind of hear a little snap noise. And that will just allow you guys to get enough room in here to access these two screws, which will allow this entire assembly to come off. So bear with me, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Phillips head screwdriver and remove those screws. Again, you'll never want to use a power drill when you're removing these things. It's just not safe for the plastics on the cleaner. You guys can take the risk of over tightening or stripping out screws. So I always suggest using a hand tool, especially when you're tightening stuff. Sometimes with removing it, it makes it a little quicker for you. But as you guys can see, it has these two little like self-tapping screws. So every screw that I've taken off so far has its own place. So you guys do want to make sure that you guys are keeping these things separated, because as you put them back together, they do need to fit in the right spot to make sure that the cleaner operates efficiently. So I'm just going to go ahead and set those off to the side. And after you get that off, you guys can kind of just gently lift up on that flap that you peeled back. And as you can see, I'm able to pull out the entire basically the entire driving force of this cleaner. It's got your swing axle arms here with some bearings on it. There's a nice little screw in here to be able to swap this piece out. It gives you access to the actual foot pads here for the bottom, as well as all the flaps. That'll be another video that we're going to dive into and kind of show you guys how to remove that to replace those. So I just wanted to show you guys how to get this off and let you guys see the access that now you have on the inside. You have your turbine, which is going to be the driving force. This is your main gear gut engine of this specific cleaner. And so we're going to actually do, again, another video on how to actually dive in and tear this out. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. We're going to have a whole series for you guys on tearing apart this AquaBug. So for today, I just want to show you guys how to get access in there to that swing arm, those axle parts. So then that way you guys can learn how to remove these. So make sure you guys hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. Until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time.